details. Initially, you can hear the chop definitely a lot. Get this install going. L2 sensor clear is good as well. We got this other piping going as well. That all fits nice and flush. So overall, pretty good. Now we just gotta get that side, and then we should, if you know what I mean. But anyways, you know, we will be able to make it work. You know, just give it a few little love taps, and we'll be right back in business. Take out the spark plugs just because the header, as it was coming up, it was hitting the spark plugs in that area, but we took out the first 3, so now we should be good to just come on up and connect it. Expecting from these long tube headers, when I had those stock headers on, you could hear the chop a little bit, but this should free up a lot more airflow to hear that chop, so let's go ahead and get it, man. Now when we go in cruise mode, you would never know, man. This thing has stock exhaust, stock headers. It's a plain old stock truck, man. And after the long tube headers.